Most traders on TradingView are using the wrong indicators. They are complex and they are slow. Today we unlock a forgotten two-indicator combo, a simple strategy designed for the 1-minute gold chart. Let's begin. Let's build this setup in under 60 seconds. First, go to Indicators and search for Log Pressure Envelope. Add it to your chart. Now, open the settings. These changes are critical. Midline type, change from EMA to WMA. Line opacity, change from 85 to 50. Finally, uncheck these bottom options to clean the chart. Next, go back to Indicators and search for Wave Trend Oscillator. Add it to your chart. Again, we must change the settings. Channel length, change to 27. Average length, change to 15. Histogram smoothing, change to 1. Histogram multiplier, change to 7. And pivot look back right, change to 6. That's it. Your setup is now complete. The rules are simple and mechanical. No emotion, no guesswork. For a sell trade, you need 3 conditions to align. You must have a red sell arrow from the log pressure envelope. The Wave Trend Oscillator columns must be orange. The market must print a clear bearish candle for confirmation. For a buy trade, it is the exact opposite. You must have a blue buy arrow from the log pressure envelope. The Wave Trend Oscillator columns must be blue. The market must print a clear bullish candle for confirmation. Your stop loss is placed at the recent high or low. The target is a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. This strategy is powerful, but you must backtest it yourself before using real capital. It is a tool, not a guarantee. If you want more hidden strategies like this one, subscribe to the channel. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading involves significant risk. All decisions you make are your own responsibility.